Hey there, it's Dina and CW. Welcome back after a year. If you've seen my regular unboxing with her, that was her box, and got some really nice things in there. So if you'd like to check that out, it's going to be somewhere in either here or it's going to be down in the comments. Go ahead and enjoy taking a look at that. It's been a year. I'm sorry, it's been a while. Just haven't gotten around to publishing any videos of anything. So there you are. This is my extra large. So she got a regular from a separate account and a separate email, and this was mine from my email, and it's the extra large. So let's take a look at the extra large together. She's going to hand everything to me, so I am surprised. We've already opened the box. I'm not going to go into the details of the box because all of you have seen it. You've all seen all the other people doing it because I'm late because I'm on the East Coast. So everybody else, Germany, California, Texas, they all got theirs before us. We had a snowstorm, so this was delayed by a day. It's okay. It's life. So she's going to hand me anything big at the end, and she'll hand me all the small stuff at the beginning. Now, I've seen a lot of the same kind of boxes, so we'll see if there's anything a little different in here. Based on what I'm seeing, it seems to be 2 or 3 variations of the same theme. All very good stuff, so I'm excited. You got it? You got it, girl? Okay. Oh, she gave me. I have the thing that everybody's getting, which is not bad because I love this. It is a Sony G. It's the Worker M, right? Is that what it says, Worker M? Mm-hmm. Yeah, the Worker M. This is a very nice little brush. I'm excited. That actually makes me super happy. She's already moved on to the next thing. Mother, just open it already. I have a slip of rubber band, and I actually use these all the time. It's a fairly good color for me. It's dark brown, so it's a little darker than my hair. I actually use them every day. I actually have the copper ones too. So between the copper and the dark brown, somewhere lies my hair. You know, a little bit lighter maybe than the copper and the dark brown, but maybe we can throw this one in here, which is actually more of an exact color, but I use these all the time. So this is actually super helpful, and I love it. So good choice. Okay, what's next?
This one's good.
RMS Beauty. Oh, I think I know which variation I'm going to get. So this is the RMS Beauty Rhapsody, which is a very pretty lipstick, like cheek blush thingy, lip light. Oh, it says lip light. So I'm not going to open it yet, but it looks like it might be okay. I don't think I want it this dark, but if it's just a sheer color,
I can take it.
You like that one?
I'm taking all my retinol cream.
Oh, that's fair.
It's cheek. It's
You can use it, I think, on your cheek too.
Oh no, yeah, it's lip, right?
Yeah. You like this? You want to have this one? Okay, so CW will get this. I took all of her retinol creams because they sent her 2 separate retinol creams. She's 15. I don't think she needs retinol creams right now. Okay, next one. Verb Ghost Oil, which by the way, I used some oil in my hair this morning. So I put my hair in a braid last night or yesterday, and it's still curly today, and I put a little bit of oil in it, and I think it looks really pretty. So I'm excited to try this whenever I do this again in the future, because it really worked well to keep the curls defined using that little bit of oil. Not this oil, but another oil. So yeah. Oh, this is actually a big deal. CW, this is for your hair, and actually, since my hair is super long, this couldn't have come to a better person. This is, do you want to guess how much this is?
50.
No.
100?
It's like $150 for a sleep mask for your hair. It's got Argo Glue sleep mask night repair serum. So I, like tonight, if I wash my hair, I could put this into my hair, and you don't rinse it out, and it just makes your hair even like healthier. Okay, and since I have not really cut my hair in a few years, this is actually a perfect kind of potion for me because I have such a long hair. All right, let's take a look. Look at how pretty this bottle is. Ooh, it's even got like a little thing to spoon it out with. And here's the actual container, so it's fancy. It's all fancy. Ooh, oh, that's the back. Fancy. And I guess, I don't know, I'm gonna just open it and smell it, see what it smells like. I just have the hardest time opening things, and I don't want this to spill everywhere because it's like $20 for a little scoop. I'm just kidding, it's not that bad, but it's like,
Yeah.
I will tell you what, I'm not going to open it. I'm going to assume it smells good if it's that expensive, but yeah, so this is a fancy product. All right, CW, my less than fancy hair, done nothing to it. It's this color naturally. It's just this way naturally. We'll probably get a boost from this, so I'm excited. Perfect product for me.
The next one I think you have, so I'm giving it to you.
I don't have this one.
You don't have it? Oh,
No,
I have
I
that
want
one.
this one.
I have that one.
No, you have something similar. You have the blue one, don't you? Is this
No, I think I
VZR?
have that one.
But this one has cheek blush in it, and it's like, it looks like this color on
I
the
think I
package.
have that one.
But wait till you see the colors inside. They match closer to your Love palette. You want to see? Look at that. Do they look anything like the ones on the?
Oh.
So I like this. This is actually really helpful for me when I travel. So I might bring this with me this weekend. I'm going to be going to New York City with CW because that's her Christmas present. So we're all going together, the two of us. Okay, and that's the Busy Art Fleurette Amour.
Okay, so I kind of want this one because my friends are convincing me to do skincare.
Hydrating
Like
facial
CW
cleanser
But like
by
CW have to do skincare.
Good
like,
Molecules.
okay.
Okay, very nice. So this is going to be given to my daughter
Yes.
for her beautiful face. So she will enjoy it. I use a lot of facial, so you use it to wash stuff off your face when you're in the shower or whatever. So good, excellent.
But also just for general skincare.
Love it. Okay, this is good so far. I'm excited.
This is another one kind of.
Another polyprime, and this is sunscreen. Can I keep this one?
Yeah.
Okay, because she doesn't burn like I do. Sunscreen, well she does, but just not like I do. So this is a Holy Frog Solar Daily Mineral Sunscreen Broad Spectrum SPF 30. Probably comes in a nice container just like the other one. It sounds like, do you have something else in there? A few more things. Well, okay. I thought it was almost done. All right, and then here's the container. Okay, I think what's interesting is I think this is a variation that I wasn't expecting. It seems different. Like there's, the one I was expecting didn't have the R&Co in it, so that really bougie. Super cream for the hair. Alright, this has, it's the Charlotte Tilbury Eye Enhancing Beauty Secrets Kit. And it basically is two different eye things, brown and like a shiny shimmery one called Pillow Talk. So besides the RMS Beauty, is there anything else you want from me? Oh, the facial cleansing thing.
Yeah.
And do you want this?
Sure.
Okay. All right.
And then this one's probably gonna be her favorite.
Okay, so it is what I expected it to be. It's the Danessa Myricks Beauty. Is that the last one?
Yeah.
Okay, that's what I thought. Lightwork Volume 5. I actually put on the Lightwork Volume 3 today on my eye. You probably can't tell. I don't. Here I'm like, bleh. Anyhow, so it's like there's just like, it's got the nice iridescent. Can you see it?
Yeah.
It's like iridescent. It's kind of duochrome-y. It's beautiful. This one's gonna. Do you know what duochrome is? Yeah, it does. I'm glad. Thank you for bearing through another video with me. This, look at how pretty this is, CW. Look at this. So good. Look at, it's like, wow, it's fancy. Okay, when you open it up.
Ooh.
Isn't that pretty?
Oh, I like the greens.
Yeah, those are really nice. Don't worry, I'll let you use it.
I don't really use eyeshadow, but that's really pretty.
See, I just like the way that the light's like, I'm gonna kind of go like that so you can see it, but the light kind of just like goes in there and just does its thing so well. Yeah, it's really pretty. I really like the teal here. It's like one of my favorite colors to wear. So, it says, let's see. Yeah, we got like Heavenly Halos, Fusion Flakes, Whipped Powder Shifters, Suede Shimmers, and something called Molten Metal. Very cool. All right, well, I'm looking forward to using this. I will definitely use it because obviously you seem to have some Iris this morning. So, I have the 4 as well. So I have 3, 4, and now 5. Hey. Okay, so, whew, okay. I'm gonna guess, because this one, you know how much this one is? Do you want to guess?
Like 100.
It's like $150. So just these two alone are double, like literally double the price of what I paid for the actual box. And then you add in Charlotte Tilbury, you add in the Viseart, you add in the Ghost Oil, and the RMS Beauty, which you're putting on right now apparently. Do you like it?
Yeah, it's hard to get out of the tube, but I think it's because it's like probably frozen.
Oh, wait, hold on.
It's kind of frozen.
Oh, okay, probably frozen. Apparently other people are having troubles getting out. We'll get it out. It probably is frozen though. And then we have, oh, in this video we have the Worker 5. Her facial cleansing gel from Good Molecules. Little sunscreen. And the tiny, teeny little slip. So I'll combine them all together. So we know at least 300. What are we thinking? Maybe, because this is pretty expensive, maybe like $450 probably?
Yeah.
I'll do the math. It'll be right here. I'll see how close to 450 I am. I guess 200 with my daughter, and I'm going to guess 450 with mine, which means for $225 we got about $600 worth of goods. That's pretty cool. Yeah. All right. It's good talking to you guys again. We'll hopefully be back before next January, but if not, I hope you have a great 2024. See you guys soon. Bye.